My house is thrashed. Her whole house must be perfect. Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today I'm gonna motivate you with some cleaning. All right, first I wanna show you how perfect my house is. Will you look at this? We did our night routine last night. The front is beautiful and perfect, so if somebody knocked on my door needing something, I could help them. Would you look at the kitchen? The kitchen is clean. There's nothing on the table. There's nothing on the countertops. There's like 1 or 2 dishes in the sink, but not a biggie. Look how perfect the house looks right now. Oh, it feels so good. This was all from doing the night routine last night. We've been doing really good on the house, the downstairs. I'm rocking it, right? So people might think, oh man, if they came over, she always keeps her house perfect. This is what I think when I go into somebody else's home. She does such a good job. My house is thrashed. Her whole house must be perfect. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Here's the master. I just put on my holiday comforter this morning. Will you look at this? Yeah, I've been focusing on the rest of the house. Are you kidding? I know. Judge all you want. I'm already judging myself. I'm way ahead of you, so save your breath, seriously. I am focusing the next 30 minutes here on my master suite because it has to get done. I work from home with She's in Her Apron. It's a full-time job, and I do a lot of my work right there on my bed. And I have the side of my bed where you saw the mess with everything that I use and need to help keep this machine running. So I am giving myself 30 minutes to not finish and make it perfect, but make progress, okay? Progress over perfection. So I am going to set the timer on my phone for 30 minutes. I'm gonna give myself at least 5 minutes extra to move the camera stand around. Making videos for you guys takes longer when I have to set up. So I am gonna give myself 30 minutes of cleaning time to get this job done before the kids get home from school. So, do you have a project like this to do? Come along with me. I'm setting my timer. Let's get this going. Are you ready? Aprons on. Let's go. Right, my timer is set for 30 minutes. Here we go. I'm picking up Boston's Halloween candy up in the closet. He decided to store them in here, and I'm gonna steal a little piece. I can't help it, so good. So I don't know why he wants to store it in our closet, but he is. But it's so tempting for me, I can't keep my hands off of it. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. So I bring in clothes from the laundry room and put them right in that corner that you see me picking up clothes from. And then I put them away when I don't have the time to do it right then. Now I'm grabbing all my hangers and putting them in that one spot. That way when I go to hang up clothes, they're all there and I can find them. I do have a lot of hangers in my laundry room, and when things come out of the wash, I can hang them up to dry. Paige, she is always my shadow, you guys. Oh my goodness, I trip over her so much, but she's so dang sweet. So there is a system to the madness in this closet. My friend Becky came over when I moved into this house, and she helped me figure out how to organize the closet. So the front part of my clothes hanging are short sleeve shirts, like t-shirts, and then it goes to nicer shirts, and then long sleeve shirts, and then to sweatery things, and my kimono shirts and jackets and all of that. She created a system, and it's been working out really good. Oh gosh, I'm sneaking another piece. I gotta stop. I'm so hungry though. I was so hungry. I end up fixing that real quick, you'll see. So I'm putting everything into their homes. I have bins for scarves, I have bins for muumuus, bins for jammies and all of that. Here I have clothes that I did bring in from the laundry room that if I don't want to put them away right away, I hang them on this towel bar. Oh, I'm almost done. So close, so close. Of course, I always have a garbage bag handy to throw away all the trash that I find. Guys, I don't even know how many hoodies I have, but I have gotten rid of a lot when we moved, but I still have a lot. Here's one of those kimono shirts. Oh, I love those. Oh, I think I'm there. I think I'm done, you guys. Okay, I have 17 minutes left. All right, I had to run downstairs to change my battery, and I grabbed an apple so it would stay away from that candy. Now we can get back to it. Okay, 13 minutes to do this and my bedroom. Let's see what I can do. Let's see how long this really takes. Okay, that's doing its thing. All right, that is done. Ah! All right, I only have three and a half minutes, so I'm gonna get in the bedroom. I'm gonna pause this so I can set up my camera. All right, I'm gonna focus on this walking area and let's go. All right, I have 40 seconds left, so let's just stop right there. So it did take me 30 minutes. The closet took the longest, but I'm glad I took the longest in the closet because anything that needs to go in the closet from here, I could walk in and it's clean. All right, what time is it? It's 3:17 right now. The kids are gonna be home soon. So I actually have at least 20 to 25 minutes to finish the bedroom before the kids walk through the door and it's time to cook dinner. And I'm making tuna pot pie for dinner. We call it tuna fish pie, but I tell it to you guys it's tuna pot pie. I have a video on it, link below. So I am now going to take, and I'm still gonna time myself because it's motivating. It is motivating. I'm gonna put 20 minutes on the clock. This is good. I like doing these and I don't just do this for the camera. Like, I do this in real life because I have ADHD and I could squirrel, butterfly, like, super quick. Let's do 20 minutes. There we go, but I'm gonna turn that fan on because I'm hot. Okay guys, I got a minute left and I'm gonna go grab Shaylee from the bus stop. And yeah, so I have some stuff on my bed and I have the other side of my bed to do. But the majority of this room is done. I've made huge progress. Did you guys see that? Is it done? No. Am I close to being done? Absolutely. Is there major progress since I started? So I am super happy with the progress and everything. So, woohoo! All right, I am gonna go grab Shaylee and then I'm gonna start on dinner. And then I have a girls' night tonight. All of my friends are celebrating our birthdays tonight at like a hibachi grill place. And we all have birthdays from September to December, so we are celebrating tonight, and that's going to be my reward. But when I get Shaylee from the bus stop, I'm going to start on dinner, and then while dinner is in, I know. And while dinner is in the oven, I'll come up here and finish and get myself ready. So I am super happy with this progress, and I might go stand in front of that fan. Can you hear it? For about a minute, because seriously. So, all right, guys. Set a timer. It feels good. Remember, progress over perfection, and what you're doing is awesome, and you are enough. Thanks for joining me. Mwah. Oh, come on.